Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorials of coding with Python. So in this tutorial we are gonna see about numbers in Python. Basically there are three types of numbers that are available in all the programming languages. The first one was integer, the second one was float, and the third one was complex. Okay, so let's now write the program. So as I indicate that the first line of the program is the heading, and the heading was number in Python. So you guys please follow the comment section, I mean a comment in Python which I was writing in order to avoid errors. Okay. So the basic difference between the syntax and string and Python string and number is that we can write a string inside a single and double quotes, whereas in number we could not be able to write it inside a quotes, because if we add a two number with quotes, it will just combine the two numbers and it will give an output. So I will be telling it in the future session, I mean in the upcoming lines. So just follow the comment lines. Okay. So and yes, as I told you, there are three types of numbers available in Python. So let's now see the integers types followed by the addition, I mean the arithmetic operation called addition, and how we can perform it in Python. Let me give an input called a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So in order to add it, I am giving a third parameter called c equal to a plus b. So now I am printing it as print c. So you can get an output called 30. So you guys have a doubt that c is the syntax, it is c is a string and it is not a number. Why we are not providing a single quotes or double quotes? Because we are declaring it as c equal to a plus b, so while using it you should not give any type of quotes as an output. Okay, so yes, now I am adding a single and double quotes in the number. So let's see what happens now. Just watch the video. So I'm giving double quotes and I'm running the video. See, it gives 20. It was not adding and it was just combining the two function, I mean the two parameters. Okay, so what if I give minus, and it will be surely giving an error. Let's see. So now you have the doubt that why it was not giving output for minus. So in plus, actually I have forgot something in syntax. If we add two parameters with plus, it will be delivering the both the type, I mean both the input as a result. So okay, let's see about the second parameter, I mean the second type of numbers, that is nothing but a float. So the short form is FLT. The float is nothing but a number followed by dot. So let me give an input 20.0 followed by 10.0, and let's now run the program to see the output. Please follow the comment section in order to avoid outputs. So only I was writing it in a very brief manner, guys. So now let's run the code, and yes, you could see the result as 30.0. So it will be providing output in a float manner. Okay. And finally we are gonna see about a complex number. The complex number is nothing but a combination of number plus alphabets. For example, 2 plus 1j or j, and 3 plus 2j, something like that. Okay, so let's now give an input. 10 plus 2j, and b as, yes, don't give space, so that it will be providing an errors, guys, keep it in mind. And b equal to 20 plus 3j. So now let's run the code. Yes, you can see the output inside the bracket, because it may differs from other type of numbers such as integer and float, because complex always provides an output inside the brackets. Okay, what if I given mixed variables inside the complex number, for example 10 plus 2i or 20 plus 3i, and let's try it. So we guys should know what happens. So surely it will be giving an error, because complex number only supports j character, not other types of characters such as I, A, B, C, D, whatever it may be. Okay. So changing the character back to j, I will be getting same result. Okay, so now let's combine the three types of numbers, that is integer, float, as well as complex number, and let's see what the output could be. I was giving a comment in a very brief manner, so that you guys should be following it in the future purpose, and in order to avoid errors. So I am giving first thing as 10 and 20, and you could be see I was getting an output dot 30.0. So giving an integer and float will give you an output of float, not in an integer manner. So the second type was a combination of integer and complex number. So let's write it and see if we get any errors in it. So you see the combination of integer and complex also runs without any errors. So finally I was adding a number in all the three formats. So float followed by complex number, you could be able to get output. Yes. And let's now and finally I think I will be running the program, I mean the number in all the three format in order to get the output. So both is nothing but in all three formats. So let's run it. I was declaring d equal to in integer format and adding all the three. So let's see the output. It would be giving an output in a complex format. So from this example we can be able to conclude that we can use all types of numbers in order to get a good output, but if we use an integer and float, we will be getting an output of float, whereas integer plus complex we will be getting an output of complex, whereas in all three formats we will be getting an output of complex as an output. So that's all about number, guys. Thank you for your time and keep supporting us.